about the present perfect tense. Okay, so what is the present perfect tense? In this sentence, something has happened. कोई चीज हो चुकी होती है या work has completed. Work has completed. In this sentence, we are talking about something is happened. Yeah, work has completed. Okay, and the rules for the positive. Positive rules is subject plus has a have plus a main verb with third form plus object. If subject is singular, then we will use has. Either subject is plural, then we will use the have. I with have. I से हम यूज करते हैं बेटा have लगाते हैं. Okay, for example, okay, जैसे for example he has he has written a letter. He has written a letter means he is singular subject. So here I have used here has and written the first form of the right. Written is first form is right and third form is second form is wrote and third form is written. So here we have in the sentence we have to use the this form, not a second, not a first, because here the work has completed. So we have to use the, the third form of the verb. So he has written a letter. Okay. For example, have I have called. I have called you. मैं आपको बुला चुका हूँ. I have called you. So I is subject as a have because has a have. So what we have to use has a have. So it will decide your subject. If subject is singular, then we will use the has. Subject is plural, then we will use the have. Okay. For example, and the example, I will give you one more example. They they have purchased they purchased a car. उन्होंने कार खरीदी. Purchase is first form. Purchased is a car. They have purchased a car. उन्होंने कार खरीदी. Okay. अगर आपको ऐसा प्रॉब्लम होती है, if you have problems to find out the third form, so here's a trick for figure out the third form. जो अगर मैं इसमें से वर्ब लूं, में से मेन वर्ब लूं, मेन वर्ब में अगर मैं 100% मानूं, 100 में बेटा 97% में हमेशा क्या लगता है ईडी. हमेशा 100% में से 97% वर्ब में विल ऐड ईडी. ऐसे फोर एग्जांपल से लिया आपने एग्जांपल कैसा तो मतलब बोल सकता हूँ plug. P-L-U-C-K. Plug. Plug is the first form. Second form is plugged. Third form is plugged. And remaining is 3%. 3% में भी क्या बेटा 2% से 2% क्या होती है 2% में से सिर्फ स्पेलिंग चेंज होती है. क्या होती है स्पेलिंग चेंज. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल में रन एंड रन. रीड not रीड सेम रहेगा. ओके. रन गो बैंड एंड gone and the remaining is 1% सेम मीनिंग. क्या होती है सेम मीनिंग सेम होती है बट pronunciation has a different. Okay. Here the 1% meaning consists the same meaning but has a pronunciation has a different. pronunciation जो होता है उनका डिफरेंट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रीड. ओके. रीड रेड और रेड. ओके. इसे फर्स्ट फॉर्म को रीड बोलते हैं, रीड रेड बोलते हैं, थर्ड फॉर्म को रेड. ओके. the rule for the negative sentence. Negative of present perfect के लिए subject has या have plus not plus main verb third form plus object the other word. Okay. जैसे you have not taken, you have not taken me to your home. क्या आप मुझे अपने घर नहीं ले गए हो? Okay, you have not taken me. You have not taken me to your home. I have not stolen your purse. Stolen your purse. मैंने आपका पर्स नहीं चुराया है. So you have not stolen your purse. I have not stolen your purse. Okay. This is the this is the rule for the negative of the present perfect tense. Subject has a have plus not third form plus object. And these are the example. You have not taken me to your home, and I have not stolen your purse. Okay. Here I had mentioned only not after the helping verb. You have to add the not after helping verb. Rule as a same it is. Okay. And the rule for the interrogative. So interrogative rule is very simple and easy. Interrogative. Okay. Has ya फिर have plus subject plus main verb, third form plus object and question word. So when we have to use the has ya has or have, so it will decide your subject. If subject is similar, then we will use has. Subject is similar, then we will use the have. Okay. Say have you seen the Taj Mahal? Have you seen the Taj Mahal? क्या आपने ताजमहल देखा है? क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्या आपने ताजमहल देखा है? ओके. मैंने बोला हैज ही डांस, क्या उसने डांस किया है? सो जे क्या है बेटा? एक इंटरोगेटिव का एग्जांपल है. दिस इज द रूल फॉर द इंटरोगेटिव एंड दिस इज द एग्जांपल. दीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ द इंटरोगेटिव. नाउ fourth is one we have to understand about the double interrogative. Okay. So the rule for the double interrogative is DI for double interrogative. Okay. WH word plus has ya have plus has ya फिर have plus subject plus main verb third form plus object then after question word. For example, when have you talked to my parents? आप मेरे पेरेंट्स से बात कब करोगे भाई? कब किया आपने? So when have you talked to my parents? आपने मेरे पेरेंट्स से कब बात की? So here I have used here when. When is the WH word. Have is a helping verb. It will be decided by the subject you. So that's why I have used here have. Okay. Have you. Third form is talk. First form is talk, and third form is I have used here the talk to my parents. Okay, this is the other word. Okay. So for a trick, I will also explain you about a trick. Say which way you will understand about the rules of present perfect tense. Okay. A question is given you. First question is you have scolded me. आपने मुझे डांटा है भाई. मैंने कहा भाई इसको नेगेटिव करो. You have to change this sentence negative. Then after interrogative or WH word interrogative में. Okay. So if you want to change the negative sentence, you have to here use the you, then have after not, and same scolded me. So here I have changed this sentence into the negative, and I have to change this negative this positive sentence into the interrogative. So I will write this have first word. Have you scolded me and question mark. Then after when have you scolded me. Okay. I hope all of you are understand in better way that I had taught you about the present perfect tense. Okay. So you have to understand all the rules. If you learn these rules of the present perfect tense of the tense, you will also learn about the active passive narration